Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Odoo and ERPNext. So we have both of these opened up here. So this is Odoo and this is ERPNext. However, ERPNext is now called frap.io. Okay, so right here in Odoo, let's start with this one. So Odoo is a modular, open, or modern ERP with a sleek UI and large app store. It offers both free and paid versions. So the pros of Odoo is that it is very user-friendly, and it has a large community and large marketplace, and it is also highly customizable. So the cons of this Odoo is it has advanced features. However, it is only in the paid version. So if you want more freedom or more customizability, it is locked behind a paywall. And another one would be it can be a resource heavy app. So if you have a slow computer, it may take a long time to load or take a lot of space on your CPU or GPU, which slows down your device significantly. And next we have ERPNext, or what is now called frap.io. So frap.io or ERPNext is a fully open source ERP focused on simplicity and transparency. So it is great for small to medium businesses. So the pros of this, it has 100% open source with no paid tier. So it is not like Odoo, which has a paywall. ERPNext is free. So it is lightweight and easy to self-host. So it is lighter than Odoo itself. So it is also strong in manufacturing and accounting. So it has more power in manufacturing and accounting than Odoo. So, but the cons of this, it has the UI is less polished, unlike Odoo, which is very user friendly, and it also has a smaller ecosystem since it's not as famous as Odoo, and it has also fewer third-party integrations, unlike Odoo, of course, which is more famous. And yeah, basically, if you choose Odoo if you want a more modern, highly customizable system and don't mind paying for the advanced features. However, you should choose ERPNext if you want a completely free and open solution with a solid core and easier self-hosting. So, if you've got the money, just choose Odoo, and if you want a free version, just choose ERPNext. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.